Signboard Bending Tutorial. First, add your photo to photoroom application and create a cutout of the signboard portion. Now, search Adobe Firefly in Google and open this website. Go to Generative Fill option and click on it. Upload your photo. Draw around the portion you want to remove and click Generate. Download this background image. Add both background image and signboard cutout to Alightmotion application. Duplicate the signboard cutout as shown. Now, click on the plus button and create two vector drawing shape layers around the signboard as shown. Combine both shape layer and cutout duplicate layer. Now select the combined layer of top portion, go to Effects and apply Bend. Give keyframes in angle and adjust effect as shown.